Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In case it's your first time stopping by, you're most welcome. My name is Jen Atungo. So today I'm going to show you how I did this 4 feed-ins cornrow. So to achieve this look, I'll be using the LiQWYD Jumbo Braids, as you can see in the video. There are 6 bundles inside these braids. So I've already sectioned my hair, and these lines will act as my guidance to the feed-in braids. So now I'm applying my gel wax, going in between the lines. Then once I'm done, I will take my rattle comb and again go in between the lines to ensure that my parts, or rather my lines, are like straight and neat. So once that is done, I will go in with my Eco Style gel and I will apply it on the roots of my natural hair, exactly as you can see. And yes, my parts are not perfect, rather my lines are not perfect, but it's okay because I'm doing, I'm literally doing the hair by myself, so I don't have any problem with that compared to when somebody else is doing my hair. So I'm okay. And the reason why I was applying, or rather I'm applying these products, is because I didn't straighten my hair, so it will be hard for me to like hold my hair in place. So that's why I just decided to like apply gel, and for it to be easier to work with, I'm combing in my hair to ensure that the gel is distributed in my hair. Now on to the fun part. I will start braiding my natural hair before adding in the braiding hair. So I'll go about 4 to 5 steps. Then from there I will start adding in my braiding hair. So I will start off by adding, small section of the braiding hair, and I will keep on adding my section as I keep on braiding, okay? So what I'm doing is that I'm taking in my braiding hair and I will put it in between my index finger and my thumbnail, and I will use this other hand to hold this other strand of the braiding hair, okay? So literally that is what I'm doing, taking in my braid. After 2 steps, I'll take in my braid, put it in between my index finger and my thumbnail, and I will use this other hand to hold this other braid, okay? So I'll leave you guys to watch and see what I'm doing, and I will get back to you in a bit. So this was my first time trying out this style, or rather trying out to, do feed-ins by myself. Although it didn't turn out perfect, but I am pleased with how it came out. So yeah. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, because I'll be sharing more videos on, how you can do your hair. So just make sure you subscribe, you share my videos to your friends, to your family, and I will really, really appreciate your support. So I will show you again the whole process. After applying gel, I will start braiding my natural hair, exactly as you can see, and I'll go about 4 to 5 steps before, I start adding in my braiding hair. Then I'll braid 2 times. Then afterwards, I will again add another braid, and that is literally what I was doing, going 2 times, then adding in my braiding hair. And yes, I know my parts are not like perfect. So, and I'll keep on perfecting my skills, because like I said earlier, this was my first time doing this. So I'm like literally getting a hang of it. So don't come for me. I know I'm not perfect, but I'll perfect my skills, okay? Yes. So guys, I'm almost done, and there's nothing new. I'm like, literally doing the same thing. After braiding in my natural hair for about 4 to 5 times, I will now start adding in my braiding hair, then braid 2 times, add in braiding hair, and that was like all I was doing. And yes, I will get back to you in a few. So keep on watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. If you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, kindly do so, and I will really, really appreciate. Sawa sawa. Yeah. support this channel by sharing my videos and commenting and subscribing. Yeah. So once that is done, I'll just go in and do my edges exactly as you can see in the video. Once that is done, I'll go in with my hot water just to seal in the ends of these braids and to ensure that there are no flyaways or anything of sorts. So guys, this is the final look, and I went on and just added some accessories from Atungo's hair collection, and the style didn't turn out that bad, so I don't have any regrets or whatsoever for trying out this style. And that was it for today, guys. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye for now.